I will tell you, if I had to choose a company today to go with, RepairDesk would be my choice.
Hi, everybody. I'm Peg, and this is Mike, my husband. We're the owners of the Vacuum Center store here in West Columbia, South Carolina.
We've tried lots of different things. I won't mention any particular names, but we've been through several different bookkeeping modules and online cloud-based programs, and we finally landed on RepairDesk. We've been using it about a year now. And what we found was in the past, what we've used either didn't track our inventory well or was not a good POS system for us. We couldn't find a combination of the two. And RepairDesk has done that for us. It's really made it a very easy process to track our inventory. When it comes in, we just scan it, puts it right in the system, lets us know when we're running low on inventory. When we sell it, it scans it back out. We can put serialize it if we want to use serialized numbers and keep track of it that way. But the nicest part of it is at the end of the day, we get the most concise report to work with, so much better than any of the others that I've used, and it just makes bookkeeping really easy. On top of that, we do use the RepairDesk card swiper to process our credit card payments. And I'll be honest with you, I've been through about 5 different processors in the past 10 years, and to date, this is the best rate and easiest machine I've had to use as well.
When it comes to keeping track of everything, before we did pen and paper and then had to kind of raffle around trying to find where the paper was. So we're very, very grateful.
It's nice being to go back on your history when somebody brings something in and says, I just had this fixed 6 months ago, and you find out it was 2 years ago because you two have a good record of it. You can even take a picture of it as it comes in, put it on the screen of what comes in and when it comes in. I mean, it is entirely different than any other POS system I've seen.
On a rating of 1 to 5, I will rate RepairDesk probably a 4.8 for our store.